Welcome back to the channel in part 2 of our Power Wheels Mustang revival. We'll start off by opening this package and go over what the plan is for today. You'll notice my new shifter. Originally made for the Power Wheels Cadillac Escalade, this will replace the stock one. While I was at it, I couldn't say no to some new Mustang decals and a new tool to install cap nuts with. I'm happy to report that I found a replacement hood. This one was used on the frozen Mustang. While not the correct hood, and clearly not pink, I know this can be made to fit from what I learned in my last video. The general shape and hinges of this hood fit our Mustang just fine. However, the front pins screwed into the hood will need to go. Removing the screws and pins brought the front down closer, but not completely closed or lined up. Next step was trimming the front outside edges of the new hood to fit around the headlight housings. Only taking off small sections at a time made sure no major mistakes were made. While not perfect, the hood closes much tighter in the front and actually looks pretty good, despite the contrast in colors. Maybe I'll address that later. In the Parts Mustang video, the shifter was removed from Eleanor and never found its way back. While ordering a new hood, I splurged on a Cadillac Escalade shifter for a visual upgrade compared to stock. With both shifters having the same center console mounting, this upgrade will bolt right in place without further modifications. Next, I'll address our Shaker 500 sound box. This can be removed by taking out the bottom two screws below the Shaker sound box. Once the screws are removed, it's just a matter of pulling out the box. On the bench, I start removing the battery cover off our Shaker sound box. Oftentimes, what you will find is batteries with major corrosion around them. Once I get the batteries out, I take a closer look and don't like what I find. Originally, my plan was to find a new shaker soundbox to replace this old one. However, I see this as an opportunity for a new upgrade. After taking some careful measurements of the old soundbox housing, I place an order with Amazon and come up with a new soundbox in the form of a radio that does Bluetooth, USB, FM, and comes with a remote. Its narrow, compact design will allow easier fitment into the Mustang dash where the shaker soundbox was. This upgrade will require cutting inside of the dash, but helps bring this Mustang into the modern age. I'll be using the upper part of the shaker soundbox housing to fill in the gap above. So be sure to look out for the next video when we get this new sound system installed and figure out where to mount the speakers. In the meantime, fix it, charge it, send it.